It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Tuesday, the 4th of August. I'm Michael Groff. No major changes in the overall weather pattern as conditions stay generally dry and temperatures to remain above average as our monsoon stays on hiatus, and that's just going to be how it is for the foreseeable future. So let's get out there and talk about it. Yesterday in the valley, another day, another record. 114 degrees, the record-tying afternoon high. The morning low, 89. The normals, 105 and 84. And outside now, here at 6:50 a.m., hazy sunshine across the valley. We're looking at 88 degrees presently at Sky Harbor. Dew points at 57. Relative humidity, 36%. The winds are light, and the barometer is steady. Temperatures around the area right now, 71 the cool spot at Fort McDowell, 78 in Goldfield, 80 at Gilbert, 82 Tempe, Thompson Peak, and Mesa, 86 in Arcadia, 93 the warm spot at Litchfield. The upper air look across the country, and it's the same old situation, isn't it? Big trough over the east, rather strong for this time of year, and that's helping to pull our tropical storm Isaias up the east coast. Here in the southwest, we're dominated by high pressure, but it is well out of position to bring any significant monsoon moisture into the area, so that's why we are hot and dry. Checking out the watch warning map, obviously the big weather headlines will be in association with Isaias. We have a number of tropical storm warnings for the middle and upper Atlantic coast, and in association with those, the usual flash flood watches, flood advisories, even a tornado watch for parts of Maryland, Delaware, New Jersey, New York, and Connecticut. Out here in the west, with the hot and dry conditions continuing, fire danger continues to be a problem. Here in Phoenix, we have an excessive heat warning in effect through 8 p.m. tonight. The convective outlook for today, obviously with our strong trough and tropical system, we have the enhanced risk of severe storms around Philadelphia, New York City, Newark, New Jersey. The standard slight risk extends up into parts of Maine, another risk of severe storms out across the western plains. The tropics and the Atlantic Basin, a little wave out there, not too far from Bermuda. That's just going to sit there for a little while before going out to sea ultimately. And we have Isaias, still a fairly strong tropical system, although the center of circulation has decoupled. The bulk of the deeper convection is now north of the circulation center, and this system is beginning to accelerate. It will be up into Canada by tomorrow morning. Here in Arizona, precipitation for the next 7 days, nothing in the valley, and not really a whole lot statewide. Rain amounts generally under 1/4 of an inch across the southeastern part of the state. Any one spot could get a little bit more than that, but for the most part, we're looking at a very hot and dry weather pattern to continue. One that we will detail now as we take a look at modeling. Here we go to the GFS, the 06Z run at 2 o'clock this afternoon. There's our strong trough for summertime out there over the eastern half of the country. A trough developing along the west coast. We are under the influence of high pressure, bringing us a dry southwesterly flow aloft. So down to the surface, hazy sunshine in the valley today, highs 109 to 112. Tonight, the skies are clear. The air is relatively dry. The NAM brings dew points up in the 60s. I don't know if it gets quite that muggy overnight. Either way, lows in the 80s. Tomorrow, sunny and hot again, highs 108 to 111. Now, as we go to Thursday, the trough over the western states begins to slide to the east, knocking our height fields down just a little bit. High temperatures 106 to 109 Thursday, 105 to 108 Friday. Over the weekend, weak troughing remains to the west, ridging to our east or southeast, so the southwesterly flow continues. High temperatures 108 to 112 for both Saturday and Sunday. Really not much change even as we go to Monday. And could there be an isolated shower or storm over southeast Arizona during this time? Yes, but nothing here in the valley. Here we go out to a week from today. This is Tuesday the 11th. No major changes here. Weak troughing to the west, a 591 ridge to the south and east. Arizona under a dry southwesterly flow. And as we look out 10 days to the end of the period, this is Thursday the 13th. The ridge now sits to the south and west of us, and that puts the state under a dry westerly flow. Very unusual for the heart of the monsoon. So that means no chance of thunderstorms anywhere across the state if this is correct, and temperatures to remain at or just a little bit above average. Let's take a look at precipitation coming off the European ensemble. There's 51 members here, as you know, and about 2/3 of them show absolutely nothing for the next couple of weeks. Even those that do, the ensemble mean is only a shade over 1/10 of an inch. So that is not encouraging at all. And temperatures off the national blend of models, persistence is the key here. Highs pretty close to 110 every day, overnight lows in the 80s. And that'll just about do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click the notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notice. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. I thank you so much for watching. It's always appreciated. You guys be safe, stay cool, drink plenty of water, watch your kids around the swimming pool, and you guys have yourselves an epic Tuesday.